What's up, guys? Just got back from class, and guess what was waiting for me when I got home? Chick-fil-A. No, it's, I don't know what this is. I wasn't expecting this. Let's dig right in. Oh, you in the box. I'm gonna do a little review on Chick-fil-A. Just grab my... Okay. That's what it looks like. On the top. Got the pickles, little pickles on top. Bottom, nice looking sandwich, you can see. Alright. Just gonna give it another nibble. Pineapple tea. That's good. I'm gonna finish this up. I'll check back with you guys later. Woo! I'm back. Washed up, all ready to go. Sorry about that little intro scandal, but again, show you nice little box size. No idea what's in here. I was not expecting this package. They emailed me, told me they were sending me something. I don't know the contents. So, I'm just gonna... I'm just gonna say in advance, no matter what it is, thank you very much, guys. You really didn't have to do this. I just thank the fans because they made this all possible. Got a lot of these air bubbles. Whoa. 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 Oh, no way. I guess they knew I was trying to upgrade, so they hit me with the new power supply. So now I can really get going with my upgrades and everything. I was actually talking about this is the exact power supply that I wanted too. So it's crazy that they just send that to me without me knowing. And gosh, guys. Bah! Me? Now, I have everything I need, and, oh, no way. You guys just... A coupon to the Blue Apron, $30. You guys are just too much. And there's a letter in here. Okay, I'm gonna read this letter. Dear Papa Smurf, here at NEWEGG Corporation, we're a big fan of your videos. We really like what you're doing over there. We really like the promotion you give us. All across the board, big fans, and we knew you wanted to upgrade eventually, so we figured, why not make it now? Thanks again for all that you're doing. Really like the video. You guys didn't have to do this. That was too much. That letter was so sweet, and the... Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm just... Are you sure this is for me? Are you sure? I mean, I guess I have to show it off on video. Busting it open. Oh, Corsair 600 watt power supply. Warranty guide. Oh, cables are getting stuck to it. Okay. Nice, new adapter. Can never have too many. Let's put this little bubble wrap off. Wow. That is a good looking supply. Look at that big fan. Look at that big fan. Wow. Wow. That's, guys. I still can't believe you guys did this for me. You really did not have to. That's just... Alright, now let's get to... For the win! Alright. Let's see, can we get a good entry point without damaging the card? Okay. So, there we go. Sorry, I'm not very good at the Yeah, camera handling. My cameraman is on vacation right now. So let's figure out how we open this. So we just got a side pocket. Bear with me, guys. Pulling out some cables. You guys aren't missing anything, don't worry. More cables. If you guys want to let me know in the comments, I know there was a better, more efficient way to open this, and I missed it. And you guys will let me know all about it in the comment section below. Whoa! So we got nice, look like Lego sets almost. Just cables, you know. Connect to the motherboard, power supply. Nice little user guide. Like that a lot. This. Some posters. Definitely hang them up. Definitely get them up in the gaming lab. Our little installation disc. What is that? Something's sneaking in there. Don't worry. It won't go unseen. It's a little emblem to put onto your PC to advertise the VGA. That's awesome, guys. Now, so that's it. That's the graph. Oh. Now for the meat of the pudding. Sorry. Here it is. Whoa! Wow. Look at that card. Look at this card. Wow. What a card. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at that. Good peel. Good peel. Alright, guys. That's all I have for the unboxing. If you guys want to live this experience with me, I'll be streaming on twitch.tv/PapaSmurf. I'll tweet out before I do, as always, but we'll see what this baby's capable of. Alright, thanks for viewing. I'm out, and see you later, muchachos.